a ruckus erupted at the venue of an event of BJP MP Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh in Uttar Pradesh's Gonda. The disturbance started during the program of the BJP MP. A fight started between the two group of main supporters for taking a selfie, and the supporters of both the sides fought fiercely while pelting stones. At the same time, supporters pelted stones at BJP MP Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh's convoy during the ruckus. As per reports, the BJP MP came out safely from the program. The video of the fight and stone pelting has been shared on social media. The BJP MP had reached the program of BJP minority organized in Barbat of Katra Bazar Assembly. In the program, he had said that a large number of Muslim community is going to join the BJP. He claimed that at present a wave led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi is taking over the country. He further said that the people of the country are watching the economic condition of the whole world. Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh said that the opposition is always united, but the people of the country are always with the Prime Minister. He claimed that no one is seeing any effect of inflation in the country today. The BJP MP asserted that no one can stop the chariot of PM Modi because it is being driven by the public. He further said that Hindu, Muslim, rich and poor are all running together. The MP added that no opposition party in the country has any formula as to where the Muslims should be banished. The BJP MP said that a large number of Muslim community is going to join the BJP. He elaborated saying that when there is action, there is reaction, and there is an alliance of the leaders and there is no alliance of the people. The BJP MP is currently accused by women wrestlers of the country of sexual assault. They had accused Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh of sexual exploitation. At the same time, the Delhi police has filed a charge sheet in the case related to the case registered on behalf of 6 wrestlers.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.